Hey guys, I just stopped to make this short video. Just see right there when you can see. See, let me see if I can zoom it. You can see the trail. It goes to comes in, that ridge, the dark ridge, not the snow, but the dark ridge. If you can see it, the trail comes. Yeah, you can see it. See, you can't even see. So let me see if I zoom it. You can't see the people. See, you can see the trail. Yes. See, it goes under that snow and under that ridge. You can see, and it goes all the way there, and you can see it. And then that's see that one. There's the lake down there, the other side. So it goes. I mean, that's just the reference. That's how I came, and then the end of this trail from here. There's, you can camp out right here. Beyond this point, it's just not recommended, except with a guide, a professional guide. But people was doing it, so right here, that's the end. Beyond that, you can't go. This is just a cliff right there. I don't know if you can see any people, but it should be a couple of people right here. Yeah, just right there. Yeah, then I just came in and on the ridge, on top of the snow, and then I came down. See, I went that cliff, then it just come down there, and just follow the snow, and then I just come right here. See, right, so beyond this point, it's just like, it's not recommended, except, with the guy, people was doing it, so it was safe. So I made it to the end. So the end is that again. That's it. That it's just this cliff, the cliff. And you can see this is snow, the snow, and then on top of the snow, that's where we stop. Then it's just a drop cliff, nothing. Anyway,